When's the last time you've made something just for the sake of making it, in terms of art, I mean? Like, when's the last time you took a photo, you've made a song, you've made a drawing or something, just for the sake of making something, making art for the sake of making art, not to teach anybody, not to show how to, no, not to, anything, just purely create something and let people interpret it in any way that they want. For me, it's been a while making this art without second goals, second objectives. The main objective is to just make anything that you feel like making. If you have, if you feel something, if you have something to convey, a message, just making it through the art that you are making, whether that's photography, music, painting, sculpture, I don't know, dance, whatever it is. Now, initially I wanted to make a video about how I took this photo and the process that went behind it, and the light, the camera, lenses, everything that I used on the set, But then, I don't know, I just didn't feel like doing it anymore. The reality of the fact is that I was really stressed at work, and I felt like time never really, time wasn't enough, and it would go so fast that I didn't ever manage to get a grasp of it. Hence this idea of time, trying to catch it, but cannot really do anything about it unless I stop. But if I stop, then the world goes too fast, and then it's like like a vicious circle where you don't really know what to do. You try, but you cannot stop the time. But yeah, the reality is that I had this idea in mind, and my friend who's into urbex found this house, and it looked like a great location. Now, I went away from the initial idea of, trying to grasp the sand and having a broken hourglass. But I don't know, in that moment it just felt right to do it that way. I went into the corner of that room because there was a little bit of light, and I really liked the drawings in behind. I took my shoes off because I didn't like my shoes that I was wearing. I didn't want to say anything with taking the shoes off, but it's open to interpretation, I suppose. And yeah, everything kind of changed. I didn't stick to the plan. I just made things as I went. And almost a year later, I am editing this, and I'm trying to come up with an idea of like, what can I teach people? Why should people watch this? And I thought about teaching how I edited, how I shot it, all the process and blah, blah, blah. But in the end, I was like, I don't know. It just doesn't feel right. I feel like everybody nowadays has to teach something for people to actually watch something. I just want to make art. I just want to create something that will make people feel, whether it's a good feeling or a bad feeling. That's kind of what I want to do. And I might change my idea. I don't know. But right now, as of what day is today? 15th of February 2026. I feel like for this particular video, for this particular photo, for this particular piece of art, I'd like people just to look at it and be like, okay, it gives me a good feeling, it gives me a bad feeling, I don't fucking know. Just the worst thing is when people feel nothing about something that you do. With this type of photography and this type of art that I'm making, that I'm showing right now, I kind of just make it whenever I have this deeper feeling of something. Like I feel something inside me and I feel like time is not enough and it's running too fast. So I just had this concept and I wanted to put it in practice. And for the moment, that's kind of what I think. That being said, enjoy this little short, whatever this is, and let me know what kind of vibes did it give you. Time has been flying super fast. I feel like it is slipping through my fingers, and I cannot catch it all. No matter what I do, to slow it down, I'd have to be still, to slow myself down. But how to do that when the rest of the world is moving with a speed inversely proportional to the square of the distance from death? What do you do then? You stop, and the world leaves you behind. You keep going, and you feel restless. The sand. I cannot stop the sand.